everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in this tutorial we are making a cat and dog prediction Andriod apps. So hopefully you see the demo video, how can we make that, how can you predict that this one is the cat picture and this one is the dog picture. So in this tutorial we are going to make this one. So first thing first, I would say one thing, that is please do subscribe my channel and must hit the bell icon, because in every week and daily basis I upload some videos regarding machine learning, data science, artificial intelligence and so on. And also I want to say one thing, that is recently I say in my analytics and my YouTube analytics, most of the viewer download my videos maybe, and they don't see my videos on YouTube. That's why my watch time is reached down. So you know, in YouTube watch time is more important, because I waste 2 or 3 hours to make this particular tutorial, and so you know, so please watch the video in this YouTube. It's better to increase my watch time, and probably the reach will be up. Okay, so you can see I uploaded so many videos. Okay, you can check out from here. Okay, so let's jump on our actual project. So in this project we are going to use a dataset for the cat and dog. We are download it from Kaggle. You can also download it from Kaggle. And for making the model, implement the model, we are going to use teachable machine. You can also use Python, but in this case I am also going to use Python to convert this model file into a TF-line model. Okay, so I already create a video, make a video, or you can see here, make machine learning model just 5 to 10 minutes. You can watch this video. Okay, I explain details in this video what is actually teachable machines. So I'm going to click here and teachable. Okay, teachable machine. So this teachable machine are developed by Google. Okay, so if I go here and teachable machine, you can see here what is actually teachable machine. You can read out this documentation from here. So I'm just going to click on here to get started. So you can see your image project, in audio project and the post project. So I'm going to click on the image project because we are dealing with the image. Okay, so this is our working directory. In this directory you can see here datasets. Okay, inside this dataset folder you can see here cat's picture and the dog picture. Okay, so now what you need to do, you need to upload this image in this teachable machines. Okay, so I'm go here and just click on upload. Okay, and you can say class one. So let's say make is cat. Okay, and let's take some picture from the cats. Okay, for this testing purpose I am using just this picture, only 36 picture. So just go here and paste it. Okay, so this picture is uploaded, and again go to the click and make the class name dog. Okay, and go here inside this dog folder, dogs. Okay, and let's copy some picture from here. Okay, copy, select and paste it here. So for the testing purpose I using just 36 picture. You can use both, you can also use multiple. Okay, I already do this training before, and using this whole data set, and as you can see here there's a model file already done by me, Keras model. This is the model actually generated before. Okay, so you can see here it's training. It takes just 2 seconds or 10 seconds, okay, to train this. I'm not going to use the camera right now. Okay, I'm going to just click on export model. So as you can see here, the TensorFlow.js. If you're a JavaScript developer, you can use this TensorFlow.js, and also you can use TensorFlow and the TensorFlow Lite. Okay, so I'm going to use these TensorFlow. You can also use TensorFlow Lite. Okay, but you can use that, but in upcoming video I can use this for TensorFlow Lite. But in this case I am trying to show you that is how can you actually make your Keras model to convert your model into a TF-line model. You can use this, no problem, it's up to you. But when you make a model from scratch, that's mean you are creating a neural network and try to make your model, convert your model into a TF-line model. So it will helpful you. Okay, so I'm just click here to download my model. So I already download this model, okay, and save it my folder. So I'm going to use this and convert this model into TF-line model. You know, in Android Studio Python is not actually done by here. So I'm just going to convert this model into TF-line model. Okay, so you can say converting model, and you can download it from here. Okay, I download it, it pop up here. So just click on here and download it. Okay, I'm going to close here, leave this space. So as you can see, this model is downloaded before by me. So now I'm going to open my Visual Studio Code, open with code here. Okay, so now I'm going to convert this S-pipe model into a TF-Lite model. That's mean TensorFlow Lite model. So let's make a name, let's say main.py. So now what we need to do, we need to convert these carols underscore model.spipe into TF-Lite model. So I'm going to import from carols dot models, okay, not comma, that's dot model. I'm going to import load model, okay, load model, and also going to import TensorFlow as TF, TensorFlow, what we call TensorFlow as TF, and I'm going to load the model. So let's say model equal load model, and the model name, so model name is carols model.spipe. Okay, so as you can see here, I load the model. So now I need to convert this model into a TF-Lite model. As you know, in Android Studio it's take TF-Lite model. Okay, so when we go through the coding of the Android Studio, and I will explain the thing why I convert this model into TF-Lite model. Okay, so let's put here a variable. So let's say con equal let's say tf dot light dot tf light converter, okay, dot from keras model. Okay, inside this you need to pass here the model. Then let's say tf light model equal con dot convert. So our conversion is done right now. So we need to save this model into TF-Lite model. So with open, okay, open, and the file name, let's say model dot TF-Lite, okay, and in the comma, okay, WB, let's write mode as F, and I need to write it. Okay, not writable, right? Okay, and inside this I need to put here TF-Lite model. Okay, so our model conversion is done. I'm going to save that and just click on here to run the code. Okay, run code. So as you can see, this code is running. Okay, and I'm using GPU NVIDIA GeForce MX230. Okay, you can see here it's done maybe. And okay, as you can see here at TF-Lite model.tf-lite. So we are going to use this TF-Lite model. Okay, so now our work is done. In this case, now we need to design our template. As you can see in my in my demo video. Okay, let's show it again. So let's go on this OS, and you can see here mirror, and I'm going to click here the mirror. And as you can see, this is the actual template, or you can say UI, and I'm using Adobe XD to design this template. So right now I'm going to use this. Okay, and I already saved it on my folder, maybe in the video song. Okay, so this all the folder, and this is all the button, okay, all the text, all the splash screen. Okay, as you can see in my demo video. Okay, and this one also, this one is the splash screen. Okay, and we are going to use this. Okay, so these are all the designs. Okay, so now let's go on our Android Studio. I'm going to minimize that and go Android Studio. Okay, so it will take some time to load that. Okay, Android Studio is open. I think my exiting file is already opened here. Okay, as you can see here, loading cat.ml projects. So I am going to close this project. Okay, and file go and new. Okay, I am going to close this project. Okay, and going to click here create new project, empty activity, next. Okay, so make sure that your API should be greater than 90. because the TF Lite model only available on this API. So I'm going to make this application name, let's say cat dog prediction ML. Okay, I'm going to click here to finish. Okay, so it will take some time to actually build the Gradle file, and I'll be back when it will be done. Okay, so our Gradle build is done. So as you can see here, this is the file main activity, the Java file, and this one is the main activity, activity main.xml file. So in this XML file we do the designing part. Okay, so now we need to import all the picture. I mean, we design the picture, splash screen, and all the buttons in using Adobe XD. So I need to go here, okay, resource, and just click on here to drawable, and go to the show in Explorer. Okay, so as you can see here, this is the folder, okay, for this applications. So drawable B24 and the layout, and all the file are go here. Okay, so now I go here and go to this folder video song. I'm going to copy all this. Okay, copy, and I'm going to paste it here. Paste. Okay, okay, so as you can see here, all the files is you can say visible here. Okay, button 1, button 2. Okay, this one is the button 1, and this one is the button 2. Okay, so I'm going to close here. Okay, so now what we need to do, we need to create another activity for the splash screen. I'm going to just click on here to new activity, and go here the empty activity, and make this activity as a splash screen. Okay, make this as splash screen. Okay, and go to the finish. Okay, so as you can see here, the splash screen or Java file is created, and also one XML file. Okay, if I go here in the layout and activity /splash screen.xml. So if I go split the screen, as you can see here, this is the code and this is the design mode. So I am just going to use the background, and for background I'm going to use drawable splash screen. So as you can see here, splash screen appear here. Okay, splash screen appear here. Okay, so now we need to access this splash screen from our Java file. Okay, this Java file. Okay, so let's use handler. So this handler is dot post delay, and it will take a runnable parameter. Okay, maybe runnable. Okay, not runnable. No, sorry for that. Runnable, that's mean new runnable. Okay, so it will take a runnable, and as you can see, it override the method for the run. So now we need to splash the screen for the 5 second or the 4 second or 3 second, as you can see. So I'm going to use the intent I equal, okay, not this one. Okay, I'm going to put here this one comma, and let's say intent I equal new intent, and I'm going to put here splash dot screen, splash screen dot this, and I'm going to go here the main activity dot class. I'm going to put here a start activity, and also the finish activity, or they can finish. I need to put here delay time, so let's put here 5000. Okay, comma. Okay, this is the run environment. Why it's give me error? Intent Yes, right now. Okay, so it will take I. Okay, so intent and take the parameter for the I, but why it's give me error? Start activity and it will take I. Finish the project. Okay, 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 and this one. Why? I think it's not on this case. Okay, this one. Okay, so our code is ready right now. So just go here and go to the XML file and okay, splash screen. Okay, so now we need to go in the manifest file and go to the launch activity to the splash screen, and this one should be main activity. Okay, so let's save it and run the code. So it will take some time to build the code. Okay, so now we need to we need to also design the activity main.xml, and after that we are going to, okay, it is installing. Okay, I am going to again open this mirror. Okay, as you can see, go mirror and again mirror. Okay, you can see here right now the mirror file. I am going to close this and again open this. Okay, as you can see here, a splash screen is appear here, but this action bar is not gone. So I'm going to go here and go to the maybe themes. Okay, themes, and make it no action bar. Okay, let's save it and again go here, apply changes, and it will be again install. Yep, right now. Okay, I think I need to again close that and again go here. Okay, okay, so a splash screen is appear, but this theme is not gone. It should be the white, so I need to do some changes in the color. Go to the colors, okay, and make this color as a white. Okay, this code, and also make this one red. Again, changes, go here and apply the changes. Yep, right now you can see that this one is the white, and also is also do same in the splash screen. Okay, so now we need to upload the model file. So I need to go here, file, new, and go to the others and go to the TensorFlow model. So now we need to put here the model location. I'm going to go here, and there should be, I go here, if I go cat dog predictions, and this one is the model file. So I'm going to go here, copy these locations and paste it, and this one and model RTF. Okay, I'm going to click here to finish. So it will take some time to actually load that. So our model load is done. So go here. So now we need to create a picker for the image. That's when we need to collect the image, and also we need to design our template. So I'm going to go here and go to the design mode, and I'm going to delete that. First we need two button. Okay, this button. Okay, button, we have this one and this one. Go here, go here, go here. Okay, why? Go here. Okay, and again take another. This one and also this one. So our two button is done, and now we need a picture, circular picture, and also a text view. Okay, let's image view. You can also use image view, but in this case I'm using the circular image view. So I'm going to go here the Google and search for circular view, circle image view, let's say this one, and go here. Okay, and I'm going to copy the dependency of that, and after copying the dependencies I'm going to use this circular image view. Okay, go down. Okay, there's the dependency. I'm going to use this, Control C, and go to the build Gradle, and I'm go down and paste it here, and just click on sync now for synchronizations. Okay, so our button is done right now, and we need to also change the background. So let's go here and use the background. So the background you're going to use this one, maybe cat doc. No, that's not. I think this one ML, maybe ML. Okay, so as you can see here, this is the picture, and I'm going to go here and make the button for the picture button, and let's make it as select for ID, and this one for the predict. Okay, and I'm going to go here and make the background as drawable button 1, and this one for the button 2 background drawable button 1 or button 2, let's say, no problem on sketch. So I'm going to change the text. Let's select, and this one predict. Okay, so done. So also we need to put here a text view, because we are going to show the output here. I'm going to go the design mode and go and use a text view. Okay, this one, and go and go. Okay, and I'm going to use a circular image view here. Okay, activity main, go to the split screen and go and add a circular view, circular image view. Okay, so circular image view, and now we can also copy the code from here. Okay, just go here and copy this, Control C, and paste it here. Okay, so don't worry on the errors. So I'm going to remove this picture and go here, and again I'm going to just click here, and okay, make this for these positions and make it bigger. And also you need to put here a text view. Okay, also go to the design mode. Okay, and maybe the image view. Okay, not image view. Okay, text view. Okay, again go and go and the go. Okay, go to the split screen again and go to the text view and make it at cat and dog. Or as you can see, I think I saved a text here. Okay, that's the background, drawable cat and dog. Yep, this one. Fine. So this is the circular image view, and the select and the predict and the text view. Okay, so our text view is right now empty. Okay, and let's put here this one, the text view, and this one is the text view. Okay, this text view. So let's put here the text view as the text ID, and all are okay. So now I am going to access this ID from here. So private. So we have two buttons. So button. Okay, button. Our button is, first one is the select button. and another one is the predict. Select. Okay, so our button ID is first button is the this one, predict and select. Okay, then again we need private. Okay, sorry for that, private, and we have a image view, and let's make it at image view, and we also need image bitmap, and make it at image. Okay, so let's access all the things from here. Select equal find view id r.id dot select, and also same as the predict equal find view id and also r.id dot predict, and also we need a text view. Okay, let's make it private. Okay, text view, okay, text view, and let's make the text view. Okay, so now also you need to access this text view equal find view by id r.id dot text id, and our work is done right now. So now we need to make a selector, okay, to actually collect the image from our gallery. So when anyone click on the select set on click listener new on, okay, view dot set on click listener. So when any user click on the select button, so it will go a listener, it will go on the listener, and it will help us to select the images. So I'm going to create an intent equal a new intent. Okay, and it will take a parameter. So intent dot action get context, and our context type is intent dot set type. Our type is image. Okay, so image slash star. Okay, and start activity for result. Start activity for result. And our result is intent, and the code, let's say code here 10. So this is the request code. So when the request it is getting from here, and it will say that yes, action is happened, and we need to what do you call we need to collect the picture. Okay, so our activity for result is done, and we pass here the intent, and the request code is 10. So now we need to access the request code, and it will get the access request code, and it will permit to select the images. So on activity result, and as you can see here, okay, this is the request code, and the request code, and the result code, and the intent data, and the data. Okay, so now we need to access this. Okay, so if request code equal 10, okay, so we are going to access the image from the media store. So image equal media store dot images dot media dot get bitmap. Okay, inside this you need to put here argument called these dot get content resolver, and also pass here the URI. Okay, so now what is the URI? Okay, so URI, that's mean when we collect the data and set the image in our image circle view, so this is called the URI. Okay, so let's go here, and let's say image view dot set image URI inside this put here the data dot get. That's mean when we select an images, we need to get the data from the selected images, then set the image URI into the image view. Image view, that's mean this image view ID, okay, in the circle image view. Okay, so if I go here, and as you can see here, okay, this one is the purple. Okay, this should be the image view. Image view, this one is the image view or not? Okay, go here. I think we do some mistake. Yep, text view select. Okay, oh, sorry for that, we forget to find the ID from here. Find view by id r dot id dot image view. Okay, so we set the image view from this circular image view. That's mean this circular image view. Okay, so ID is the image view. I go here and go down. Okay, so now we need to create a URI, and let's say URI equal data dot get data. So go here and alter enter and import the classes, and this should be image media dot get bitmap. Okay, okay, so if the request code is 10, and we need to collect this one in this format. Yeah, right now. Okay, so it will show me error, and if I go here alter enter, and you can see here it's called surround with triggers. That's enter. So the exception is gone right now. Okay, so if I going to save this code and run this code again, okay, so Gradle build is running. Okay, I go here. Okay, this is my home screen, and it will installing these applications. It's already done, but it will try to remove. After removing, it will installing this new version. Okay, I think we're done. Splash screen is open here, and right now it will go here. So if I go to select that, okay, I am controlling this one from here. So let's go here. Yep, so as you can see here, this image is okay. So if I go to click here to predict, nothing will happen here. Okay, so now we need to create, now we need to make it for the listener. Okay, make it listener and draw the predictions. I'm going to minimize this. Okay, so now, okay, I think this one done here. Okay, and this one for the step view. Okay, so when anyone click the predict button, set on click listener, new view dot set on click listener. So when anyone click the predict button, and it will give the predictions. So if I go here the model.tflight and go to the Java, so as you can see here, all the code is given here. Okay, so I'm going to just copy all the code. I'm going to copy all the code from here, Control C, and go to the main activity.java and paste it here. Okay, and go to the alter enter. Okay, and go here, alter enter, and import the class, and also the tensor buffer, alter enter, and this one the alter enter. Okay, and now we need to convert this image into 128, 128. So we are going to use image bitmap to actually resize our image. So let's put an image equal bitmap dot create scale bitmap, and you need to put the image and the size 128 and pass it through. Okay, so now we need to put here the context. So the context should be the get application context. So let's say get application context, and now we need to create a byte buffer. That's mean we are going to load the image and also put the image in our TensorFlow model. Okay, so let's make it a tensor image, and let's put here a variable tensor image equal to new tensor image, and let's put here data type float32. Okay, so you're converting this tensor image, that's when you're creating an instance of the tensor image, and data type should be float32. So now what we need to do, we need to tensor image, load the image inside this tensor image. So image, and again we need to create a byte buffer. So byte buffer equal to byte buffer, byt byte buffer equal tensor image dot set get byte buffer. Okay, so tensor image dot get byte buffer. So our byte buffer is done right now. So now we need to set the output in our text view. So let's put here text view. Okay, text view dot set text. So let's put the output feature dot get float array, and for 0th index, because we have only two classes. First one is a cat, another one is a dog. So let's put here a backslash and also add the second one. Let's put here 1. Okay, save it and run the code. Terminate. So it will open. So cat and dog predictions is open right now. 5 seconds it will be disappear. I'm going to select, and I'm going to select this Billy picture, predict. So as you can see, this one is the 1.0. Okay, I need to also do the changes on the XML. So now we need to set the output in our text view. So let's put here text view dot set text, and output feature 0 dot get float array and 0. And let's put here backslash. Let's check it also for the class number 1 as the index number 1. Okay, let's save it and run that. Click on terminate. And see here. Okay, it will installed and success, operation succeed, and 5 seconds it will be disappear. And now select the picture of the, let's select the picture of the cat predict. So right now you can see here the predicted output is 1.0 and the 0.0. That's mean the first index and the 0th index, the value is right now 1. So that's mean if the output picture is 1.0, that's mean this picture should be cat. Okay, so let's implement this. So if output picture dot get float array index number 0, okay, equal 1.0, that's mean the predicted output is B. What we call text view dot set text. We are going to set the text as predicted output is cat, else else, okay, not this one, else we set the predicted output is a dark. Control C, D is a dark. Also remove this line. Okay, save it and run that code again. Okay, so terminate this and it will be installing and installing. Launch the activity is launching. Cat and dog predictions. Go to the select. Let's select the picture of cat. Go to the predict. So as you can see, predicted output is cat. If I go here to select another picture of dog, let's select the picture of dog, this one, predict. So as you can see, a predicted output is dog. So let's make this font bold and also go to the XML file and let's put here the text size, let's say 20 dp, and also put your text style, that's a bold, and also change this one. Okay, and save it and run the code again. Click on terminate. Activity is launching. Cat and dog predictions. 5 seconds later it will disappear. Again, click on select. Choose the picture. Let's choose this one picture. Predict. So predicted output is dog. Again, click on select and select the picture of the cat. Let's select this one. Predict. So predicted output is cat. And also you can see here an icon. Okay, you can also set the icon. So just you need to go maybe on the image asset and you need to change the asset here. So just click on here to the XML file. I'm going to use the vector file in my, maybe this one is the desktop. This file is saved on my desktop. Okay, maybe it should be in the user del desktop, this one picture. Okay, this picture is happening. Let's resize the image and also change the background layer. Okay, background layer for color, and let's put here a color picker and choose this one. Okay, choose next. Okay, so finish. Okay, so if I run that code, it will change this, but it will take some time to change that because as you know, again go to the terminate. Activity is launching right now. I don't know it will change this right now or not because it will take some time to actually change this. Right now it not changes, but after some while it will changes. Okay, don't worry on that. So let's open this one. So this is the tutorial. Hope you will enjoy this tutorial and make sure to subscribe my channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon for never miss an update. And also I will highly request you to one thing, that is please watch the video on YouTube. Don't download the videos, okay? Because you know in 2 or 3 hours I waste to make this video and hopefully it will helpful to you. So please watch the video from the YouTube. Okay, thank you and bye bye.